Types of roofing you might want to think about. You can increase the value of your house and convey the feel and look of your home by updating your existing roof. The material you choose for your roof can elevate the exterior of your home, even though roof framing, preparation, and proper installation are always extremely important. So, without further ado, here is the list of the best roofing materials as of this year. Remember to share this article with your friends if you liked it. Asphalt shingles is the top option for roofing in America for a good reason. They provide flexibility, resistance to the elements, and much more. Consider the advantages of asphalt shingles for your home if it's time to replace your roof. The lifespan of asphalt roof shingles is 15 to 30 years. As implied by their name, asphalt shingles are made of asphalt. Although the material is made to withstand the elements, color fading is a possibility. Long-term UV light exposure is to blame for this, sunlight. The colors will deteriorate over time more quickly in drier climates. Metal roofing. Any roofing system made of metal pieces, tiles, or panels is simply referred to as a metal roof. Due to the affordability, portability, low upkeep, and beauty of materials like aluminum and zinc, metal sheets and shingles are still a common choice today. Extreme weather isn't going to damage metal roofs. Metal roofs are made of aluminum, copper, stainless steel, and zinc and come in panels and shingles. Bungalows, cabins, modern, and cottage-style homes all look fantastic with metal. Clay and concrete tiles roof. Clay and concrete roofing tiles are two options that are frequently used in some areas of the country. These two distinctive designs can give your house a distinctive appearance. Clay roof tile. Baked clay is used to make clay roof tiles. How long and at what temperature the tiles are heated determines the density of these roofing tiles. Terracotta, on the other hand, is the most widely available color of clay tile. It's important to note that in regions like Spain and Latin America, clay roof tiles may also be referred to as Spanish tile roofs. In order to prevent color from peeling or fading, clay tiles are baked at high temperatures to help bond the color. They have a long lifespan and provide excellent insulation. Concrete tile. About 13% of water is absorbed by concrete tiles, while only 6% is absorbed by clay tiles. Concrete tiles may therefore be more susceptible to stains and the growth of mildew. Due to their greater capacity for water absorption, concrete roof tiles are heavier when wet, adding additional weight to the framework of the roof. Concrete is safe to use in almost any climate because it can withstand colder temperatures without difficulty. Wood roofing. Strong, adaptable, and weather-resistant are characteristics of cedar that make for efficient roofing shingles. Due to its durability, cedar is preferred by manufacturers of roofing shingles. The U.S.'s east and west coasts both support the growth of cedar, an adaptable and robust domestic hardwood. As they age, they turn silvery from a sand color. In dry climates, wood roofs can last for 50 years, but in places like California where fires are frequent, they must be treated. Wood roofing is more easily damaged by water in humid regions like the East Coast. One of the best and most profitable home improvements is replacing an outdated roof. If you're installing a new roof, be sure to find the best roofing contractor for you. Choose the type of roof suitable for your house, climate, and budget. Thanks for watching.